I wonder if there's a way we can make a ring that would help us commemorate places that we've gone. We're getting some sand from Hawaii.
Jenkins, James,
At 10 a.m.
Suzanne.
My mom is up waiting.
Thanks, Laura.
Time to head to the beach. Time to go home. Still James, Suzanne. Now that we have our beach sand, we can start making the ring. And so for this ring, we're going to be using a ceramic ring blank. And we're putting it on our lathe, on our expanding ring mandrel that I get from BangleGuide.com. And we want the background of this ring to be light, so we're going to be painting it with some white fingernail polish before we get started. And now that it's dry, we're going to be using our medium flex CA adhesive to start gluing the sand onto this ring. So we're just going to put a little bit on, press it in, and then spray it with some activator. And that's going to just dry the CA adhesive up so we don't have any of our sand fall out. Alright, now that that's finished and all dry, we can start building our CA adhesive up. We're going to be using Thin Flex for that. So we're just going to put a couple drops on and let the lathe roll as it dries. And then once it's dry, we'll put another layer on and continue until it's completely filled up. Once it finally dries, we can start sanding the CA back down. And we just want it to be only in that channel, so we're going to start with some 120 grit sandpaper and then slowly work our way all the way up to about a 1200 grit sandpaper. These rings are quite a bit different than the ones I normally do, but just like the coin rings, being able to wear memories. And now we can actually put things that we collect from our vacations or from trips into a ring and keep it around. So check out my website, Changeyoucanwear.net, and if you had anything you wanted to inlay into your own ring, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Alright guys, till next time, thanks for watching.